Yeah, so.
Go, mate.
Come on, can you do this, please? Now give me 5. See, we're just walking back. Come on, me. Archie! Archie, slow down! Come back here, Arch. Arch, come back here. Archie. Okay, we're just walking back now, and hopefully we're gonna stop Batman man running away with my dog. So, that's that. Say hi then. Say hi then. Who do you think? Wait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I guess I'm that neither buttons by a fun pet at the moment. Okay, we're by the fun pet at the moment, and soon we're going to be upstairs, and then we're going to get in the car, go home, and then I'm going to upload this video, edit it, and stuff like that. And then I'm going to have some sweet and lunch, and then I'm going to record a football video. And then I'm going to record a football video. Then I'm going to record a football video, and I get my new gear. Yeah. Oh, come back here. Mom, is this like connected to Wi-Fi? It's connected to Wi-Fi. Huh? Okay. Hold up quickly, aim it at the bin. And jump over it.
Oh, that's very elegant.
I couldn't just move it, and I slipped. I slipped. Mom, Mom.
What, darling? What?
I slipped and I jumped over it. And yeah.
That's a bag. What?
Where's Matt? Archie, come up here. Look, just follow me. I'm places like this specialist. Come up here. Archie, come up these steps. Come on. Okay. Don't fall. Whoa. Like that. Oh God, no! Oh. Oh, for God's sake. Why is it always me who falls on them? So that was a fail. Did you go like this? Did you go like this? That's in. Mum, where's my drink? Is it in your bag? Yeah. Okay, we're nearly at the car. Nearly at the car. Okay. Come on, can we go in the park for a little bit? Come on, can we go in the park for a little bit? Come on, no, we're not going in the park. I need to get back. Bye. I'm going through the park last year. Okay. Okay, guys, I just got out. Got this. Okay. Getting out. Hey. So, yeah.
My little mirror's coming in and out.
Okay, so I'm at the car, and you can see that. We're about to get in on the tent. I don't know where they're going, but it's somewhere. I'm quite cool. Sorry. And yeah, I'm gonna get up here and get my phone. Go all the way. Bye.